mathematics enthusiasts. I am Teacher Janice, your virtual teacher for today. Come and join me in this fun and exciting lesson in plane and analytic trigonometry. Before we start, make sure that you have with you your self-learning module, pen and paper. Are you excited to go to school? That's great! We are now in alert level 1, and I know for sure that you are excited to go to school. Together with that excitement, we need to remind ourselves of the basic rules that we need to follow when we go to school. First, in entering the school, we must proceed to the triage area. We need to declare the correct information needed and let the staff check our temperature. Second, wear your uniform. For those who do not have yet their school uniform, we are in school, therefore, we need to dress decently. Avoid using crop tops, shorts, and other revealing clothes. Third, wear your ID at all times. Fourth, respect the people around you. If you meet your teachers, smile and greet them. Fifth, observe minimum health standards such as maintaining 1 meter distance, using face masks, washing of hands, and others. These are only some of the rules that we need to follow when we are inside the school. I know for sure you have more rules to add. Rules are created as guiding principles that will keep us and the people around us safe. It helps us decide on the things we need to do. Same true with mathematics. We have rules and laws to follow to achieve our goal. And that goal is to arrive at the correct answer to a problem. Join me in this video lesson as we discuss the laws of logarithm. You are expected to enumerate the laws of logarithm, use the laws of logarithm in expanding expressions in terms of the logarithms of the factor. Before we start, let us have the 5 seconds minute activity. Evaluate the following logarithms. Did you get it all right? Very good for mastering the competency in evaluating logarithms. Now, let us discover the laws of logarithm. Logarithm of a product, logarithm of a quotient, logarithm of a power. First, let's have logarithm of a product. The logarithm of a product of two positive numbers is the sum of the logarithms of two numbers. In symbols, logarithm of mn to the base b is equal to the logarithm of m to the base b plus the logarithm of n to the base b. Let us use the logarithm of a product in our examples.
Example 1. Expand log of 5ab to the base 2. Making use of logarithm of a product, we have log of 5 to the base 2 plus log of a to the base 2 plus log of b to the base 2. Example 2. Expand log of the product of 2p and 3q to the base x. Making use of logarithm of a product, we have log of 2p to the base x plus log of 3q to the base x. We could still expand the expression. We have log of 2 to the base x plus log of p to the base x plus log of 3 to the base x plus log of q to the base x.
Second, logarithm of a quotient. The logarithm of a quotient of two positive numbers is the difference of the logarithms of two numbers. In symbols, logarithm of m over n to the base b is equal to logarithm of m to the base b minus logarithm of n to the base b. Let us apply the logarithm of a quotient in expanding the following expressions.
Example 1. Expand log of 50 over 3 to the base 7. Making use of logarithm of a quotient, we have log of 50 to the base 7 minus log of 3 to the base 7. Example 2. Expand log of 2x over y to the base a. Making use of logarithm of a quotient, we have log of 2x to the base a minus log of y to the base a. We could still expand the expression. Making use of logarithm of a product, we have log of 2 to the base a plus log of x to the base a minus log of y to the base a.
Third, logarithm of a power. The logarithm of the nth power of a positive number is n times the logarithm of the number. In symbol, logarithm of m raised to a to the base b is equal to a logarithm of m to the base b. Let us apply the logarithm of a power in expanding each expression.
Example 1. Expand log of the quantity x plus 3 raised to 1/2 to the base b. Making use of logarithm of a power, we have 1/2 log of the quantity x plus 3 to the base b. Example 2. Expand log of the quantity x plus 2 raised to 1/3 times 2x to the base b. Making use of logarithm of a product, we have log of the quantity x plus 2 raised to 1/3 to the base b plus log of 2 to the base b plus log of x to the base b. We could still expand the expression, making use of logarithm of a power, we have 1/3 log of the quantity x plus 2 to the base b plus log of 2 to the base b plus log of x to the base b.
Do you have any questions in using the laws of logarithm in expanding expressions in terms of logarithms of the factor? If there's none, let us have your activity entitled Choosy Beaver. Let us help these beavers choose the appropriate wood for them by expanding each expression using the laws of logarithm. I will be giving you 5 minutes to accomplish your task. Your time starts now.
Time's up. Let us now check your answers. Number 1, log of 5x to the base 3 is equal to log of 5 to the base 3 plus log of x to the base 3. Number 2, log of 2x over y to the base 3 is equal to log of 2 to the base 3 plus log of x to the base 3 minus log of y to the base 3. Number 3, log of 3x squared to the base 2 is equal to log of 3 to the base 2 plus 2 log of x to the base 2. Number 4, log of the quantity 2 over x squared to the base 3 is equal to 2 log of 2 to the base 3 minus 2 log of x to the base 3.
Did you got it all right? Excellent! Before we proceed in your next activity, I want you to answer these questions. How do we expand expressions in terms of logarithms of the factor? Very good. In expanding expressions in terms of logarithms of the factor, we simply use the laws of logarithm. What are the laws of logarithm? Logarithm of a product, logarithm of a quotient, logarithm of a power. Having answered those questions, now I know for sure you are ready for our next activity entitled Expand Me. Expand each expression using the laws of logarithm. I will be giving you 5 minutes to accomplish the task. Your time starts now. Time's up. As a supplementary activity, expand each expression in terms of logarithms of the factor. That is all for today. I hope that you have learned a lot in our video lesson. Before we end, remember that through practice, gently and gradually, we can collect ourselves and learn how to be more fully with what we do. By Jack Cornfield. Once again, thank you for listening.